Greetings from Mohr Career Services. Today we're going to run through the elevator pitch, what it is and how we use our best persuasive communication theory and skills to create a good one. So first, what is an elevator pitch? Imagine you're participating in an online coffee chat where you're teamed up with an alum and 3 other students. The alum invites everyone to tell me about yourself. What you say next is your elevator pitch. So an elevator pitch in the context of the career search is a 1 to 2 minute highlight reel that shows value you offer and distinguishes you from others. Whether you've realized it or not, you've already had practice giving your elevator pitch. We're going to spend the rest of this session helping you craft an effective one, particularly in the context of your career search. You may recognize this inverted triangle from BA 308 or writing courses. When you're trying to communicate an idea, you want to be sure to have a sound strategy, understanding your audience, understanding your message, and finding alignment between the two, as well as a strong micro-presentation, so nonverbals, word choice, body language, etc. Today we're going to focus at the macro level, which is the structure and organization of what you're going to say. Again, drawing on persuasive communication theory, we want to make sure we have a balance of ethos, logos, and pathos. For the elevator pitch, ethos is who you are as a professional. We like to refer to the VIPs of career decision-making: values, interests, personality, and strengths. To highlight the value and interest that I might want to make relevant to an employer, I might say something like, "Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm really interested in how business can be used as a tool for social impact." Logos would be an example you can give that supports what you just said about yourself. For example, I might say something like, "Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm really interested in how business can be used as a tool for social impact. So when I came to the Lundquist College of Business, I joined Net Impact. When COVID-19 disrupted our plans for spring term meetings, I volunteered to set up a communication channel to enable our membership to stay connected to the club, each other, and alumni, and was subsequently elected VP of Membership." Finally, for pathos, you want to connect to the audience and what they're interested in. In the coffee chat example, you may say something like, "I'm really interested in learning about your company's corporate social responsibility initiatives and how you've been involved with them." If you were in a one-on-one setting, you could be more direct in asking them a question to start a dialogue. So now let's imagine we're back in that virtual coffee chat. It's now your turn to introduce yourself. Hit pause on this video, and I want you to draft your elevator pitch using the outline we came up with. Welcome back. Now that you have a draft of what you might try to say, try it out. There are lots of opportunities to get reps and feedback on your elevator pitch. VMock is a brand new platform that is available to Lundquist students. It uses AI and machine learning to give you immediate feedback, particularly on the micro level of presentation and polish. We will also continue to offer opportunities to connect with alumni and your Mohr Career Services staff throughout the summer. And of course, Handshake will be your gateway to all of this. Now that you're prepared to tell me about yourself, you have one less excuse not to reach out and talk to people. Happy networking!